Welcome to today's video, and we are at Freshwater Bay and I'm going to show you around. Freshwater Beach Holiday Park is located on the south coast of England, less than 20 miles from Weymouth and Dorchester. And it is easily accessed via the B3157. So we are heading to pitch B1, showers and toilets. That's some. I don't think that's our showers and toilets. Play park, and we just have to go up here, I think. So yeah, it looks all quite nice. B1, right near the sheds. So yeah, it looks all quite nice. B1. So that's D. So it's round there a bit, I think. Okay, welcome everyone to Freshwater Bay. This is our pitch. We are on pitch B1. Not very busy. There's probably about 20 or 30 sites here. There's a lot of 20 or 30 camper vans and motorhomes and that here. But there's about, oh, there's hundreds. I'm not sure how many pitches, but it's a real big place right on the beach, right by the beach. So we'll have a look around later, but just quickly show you our pitch.
As well.
Oh yeah, they have. Yeah, so it's a really big field that we're in. If you imagine in the summer it would be absolutely crazy busy, heaving, but it's right on a. I think it's even on a private beach. I think this bit. Chemical, yeah. So we are now heading off. Yes, of course. No. It's in the sea, darling. We're now going swimming in the sea. We're going to do some cold water swimming. No, we're not really. We're going to the.
It's really in the sea. Yeah. No, it's not.
Is what in the sea? The swimming pool? Yeah, we're going swimming in the sea.
Oh.
Of course we're going swimming in the sea. Where else would we go swimming?
I thought we'd go swimming like in there.
No, there is an indoor pool. We're going up to the indoor pool now. It's a bit windy. I'll show you the camera.
Oh good, there's an indoor pool.
There's an indoor pool. There's goals over there, Max.
Goals? Where?
Over there. Show you.
Oh, we did a bit of football though.
Ah, that's what you think.
Oh yeah, there is studying food.
There is. We'll take it to the beach tomorrow and we'll play on the way. So anyway, we're off to the leisure centre now, the entertainment complex. Have a look around there.
Where is it?
We're going to go swimming. So
Where is it?
I'm not sure if I can take the camera in there. We'll see.
Is it?
I'm not sure. I think we'll stick to the indoor one today, as it is November. Yep, there seems plenty to keep us entertained here. Okay, let's go check it out.
Okay, so we've just finished our dinner in the restaurant in the campsite. And I had adult mac and cheese, Max had children's mac and cheese, and Richard had a salad.
Why is that such a shock?
How fancy.
Anyway, mac and cheese was very nice, very tasty. Very nice. Came with 2 pieces of garlic bread. It's very nice. It's not busy because it's November, 6th of November. The bowling alley has been busy. There's a bowling alley here. It's fine. It's good. No problems at all.
And we are now heading back to the camper van for pre-nighttime games, but
Hot chocolate with cream and marshmallows.
don't tell Slimming World. God forbid. It's all getting very tense in the camper van. There's a very serious game of top trumps going on. My hair, I've got swimming hair because I've been swimming. It's Mummy versus Max. Daddy's out. I think there could be some violence coming up.
Top trumps waiting. Oh no, it's your play though.
See,
Your
oh my
play.
god, oh my god, no.
You
Stop
touched the
stop
side.
throwing cards.
Caps 100. Hang on, that's 2 players.
Just take your top one, no
Yeah,
cheating.
I did.
Come on.
That's 2 players though.
Oh, I'm watching you.
Got trumps. 4.
2.
1.
New popcorn that I discovered
Whoa!
yesterday
Whoa!
in Tesco's. It's called proper popcorn, which is what it's very tasty. I like this popcorn.
Show us the
And
bag. Proper, and it's
proper popcorn.
Popcorn.
And it's
Popcorn.
caramelised biscuit flavour. Very nice. They do a nice sweet and salty. But this I saw, and it's caramelised biscuit, and it's really tasty.
So good morning from Freshwater Beach. It is a crisp November morning. It is November the 7th today. We've just spent one night here at Freshwater Beach, as you've seen, and really quiet right by the beach. I can hear the waves crashing. We're going to head out there in a minute for a bit of an explore, but it's a really good park. It's massive. It's really, really big. I might try and get up on one of the hills to get a wider view of the whole area, but I think we worked out there's probably almost 400 pictures here, plus loads of static caravans. So I can imagine in October it will just be August it will just be crazy. So we're gonna have a little bit of breakfast and then a little bit more of an explore.
Morning. I'm just tucking into my breakfast. Very easy. I measured up my cereal before I came here. So I measured it out yesterday. Put it in now.
Good old Tupperware.
What? 2 little pots of yogurt from Tesco's, fat-free Greek yogurt. And I put in another pot some frozen fruit, which defrosted in our fridge overnight. Very nice, very tasty.
How's your brekkie, Max?
Good.
What have you got?
I've got chocolate sandwich.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Simple cereal with shreddies and raisins.
Very nice.
So quite a healthy breakfast apart from Max's chocolate sandwich.
Yeah.
Cheers.
And what happened with the tea?
We haven't got a kettle. You haven't got a kettle. Is that pointing at me? It looks like it's pointing at me. We haven't got a kettle.
There's plenty.
We threw the kettle away because it was breaking, so we had to use a pan, but it worked. We've got a nice cup
We
of
have nice cups of tea.
tea. So cheers and
Cheers.
good morning.
Good morning.
We have left our pitch and we are now heading for a walk along the coast path. We're hoping to find a cafe in about a mile's time, but we're not quite sure where we're going. But we're going to show you the walk as we go. Really beautiful down here, sun's out, everything's really green and blue skies, green grass. It's just pretty pleasant, so we're going to head that way and see where it takes us, so come along. I've just checked and it turns out the bit that we're going to do is part of the southwest coast path. We are going to take it from Freshwater Bay, which is where we are now, which is not far from West Bay, which is near the Broadchurch programme, if you've seen that, and it goes to a place called Hive Beach, and we believe there is a cafe at Hive Beach. We've not booked anything. I imagine it'd be pretty busy on a day like today and it'd be on a Sunday, but we'll see. If we can't get in, then we'll just come back. But it's a good walk to do, especially on a day like this for November. It's glorious, so let's check it out. where we're heading. Okay, this is a real steep hill.
Well done, Max. I'll come back down if you want.
Max has made it. Well done, Max. And our pitch was that one there. I think we are about halfway along the part of the southwest coast path that we're doing. We've left Freshwater Bay, as I said, and we are fast approaching Hive with a V beach, because I think I might have said it wrong before, but it sounded wrong. So we're about to take a descent, I think, down onto Hive Beach, where hopefully we're going to find a cafe. That way appears to be a private road, so we have to go through the gate that way to follow the southwest coast path and continue to Hive. So we've made it to the Hive Beach Cafe, and we're going to go in and have a spot of what we thought was a late breakfast, but unfortunately they stopped serving breakfast 5 minutes ago and we had to wait until 12 to order our fish and chips and Suzanne's rather disappointing crab sandwich. And it doesn't matter where we go, a restaurant, a donkey sanctuary, a tramway, there is always a gift shop.
Hi, so we've just come from Hive Beach Cafe. Hive as in H-I-V-E and not the Hive where we live. It was okay, bit disappointing. We got in there at probably 11:35 I reckon, and unfortunately they stopped doing breakfast at 11:30 and refused to give us breakfast. But when they sat us, they didn't tell us they don't start taking food orders, lunch orders till 12. Anyway, I ordered a crab sandwich, a bit disappointed with my crab sandwich. Pathetic really, I'm sure Richard will show you the picture now, my crab sandwich. Anyway, I've had better crab sandwiches, but your fish and chips, their fish and chips were alright. The boys had fish and chips, it was alright. It was busy in there, it was alright. It's expensive though, very expensive. £12 for my crab sandwich. Bye!
And one last look around Hive Bay before we head back along the path. So that was Hive Beach Cafe that we've just been to. Expensive, basic interior, fish and chips were good, crab sandwich was rubbish as you've heard Suzanne say. Here comes a car, guys. The car's gone. We are now heading back along the west coast, southwest coast path. So we're taking the exact same route we took on the way here. So I'm going to leave that walk there, and I'll probably see you back at the camper van in about half an hour's time, or it will probably be a lot quicker for you. Now, let's fly the drone for the first time. I was just kidding, I haven't got a drone. Sorry about that bad joke. Here are a few pictures that we took on the walk. The other end of the walk we are doing, and now we have to get down this big hill, and it's really dark because the sun's behind me. It's gone down the wrong way. Come on Rich, sort it out. There we go. We've reached the other end of the walk and we're now going down the big hill. So we're going to head down that big hill now, and I can't get this exposure right, but down the big hill we're going to help Mummy down. And our trip at Freshwater Beach is almost over. We have a very scenic drive home, a quick stop at a roadside cafe that we've always wanted to visit. So let's hit the road. Testing, we're checking it out, Okay, so I think that's the end of our trip. I've always seen that cafe as we've driven past it and thought,
So do I.
it looked quite a funky place to stop. So we've got tea and a coffee, and we are now heading directly home. So that is the end of our trip to France. To Freshwater Beach, Fresh Beach, Water, Freshwater Beach, Water Beach,
Freshwater Bay.
Freshwater Bay Beach, Bay.
Nothing to do with the beach.
There was a beach there though. Freshwater Bay Holiday Park.
Where they filmed part of Broadchurch. So the caravan where
few of the scenes.
Pauline Quirk lived in Broadchurch. Just filmed that.
See, TV trivia. Another service that we provide. We just don't stop giving, do we?
We don't stop giving.
Right, we'll see
Full of knowledge.
Full of knowledge, full of
crap.
There's another beep I've got to put in. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.